Sometime life's gonna hit you in your face and you will be like, oh my goodness, what happened, man? What happened to me? What just happened? Life happened. That's what happened. Life is not all about sunshine and rainbows. Life is a very mean and nasty thing. Life don't care how tough you are. It will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, and nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it's not about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep pushing forward. And that's how winning is done. This is what life is all about. Focus on yourself. Concentrate on yourself. Explore your inner world. Trust me, you will find something more beautiful and amazing inside you. There is a whole universe inside you. Allah is inside you. Make sure you explore that. You know the famous and the most richest place in the world? It's not Dubai, it's not China, it's the graveyard. How many ideas are there in the graveyard? The people are worried, they are scared to take them out. They must be thinking that it's a risk. Life is a risk, it's full of risk. It's such a risk that nobody is coming out alive from the life on the next side, on the other side. It's so much risky. Risk. When I start laughing, the people will start looking at me and they will be thinking that I'm sentimental. If I'm it's risk. If I'm presenting my idea to someone, to the business owner, to everywhere, I want to pitch something, it's a risk. I will lose their attention. I will lose my client. This is a risk, full of risk. If I love someone, it's a risk. Maybe I won't get such love in return. Risk. Life is full of risk. Whatever you are doing, it's risky. Look at this. This is so risky life. Okay, but make sure you live fully. Why? Because tomorrow is a mystery. Yesterday is a history and today is a gift. That's why it's called present. Live in now. Live in this moment. And you will find something more beautiful, something more amazing. We have a problem in our life. We have a problem with ourselves that we don't know ourselves. We don't know our surroundings. If someone who is well aware from himself or herself, that person will well aware from his surrounding or her surrounding as well. Okay, that's why the meditation, the daily routine meditation for 5 to 10 minutes is a very, very, very good exercise. In Islam, it's called muraqabah. In the morning time after the prayer, do 5 minutes meditation. It will amaze you. You will be like, oh my goodness, how beautiful my thinking are. How beautiful this inner world is. How beautiful this garden is. Where was this garden before? It was here, but you wasn't paying attention to that garden. So just 5 minute meditation every day. Read as much as possible. But it's not like, okay, I have to finish this book. No, you have to take fun out of it. Take some fun out of it. I met a guy, and that guy was the district police officer. A very beautiful personality, a very humble personality. Someone asked him in front of me that the book you mentioned in your presentation, in your lecture, that book is really hard to understand. And it's a very big book. It's around about 800 to 1000 pages. But that book is really hard to understand because the content over there is very deep. And he said that sometimes you don't need to understand each and everything what you are saying. You just focus on the fun, which at that moment you are taking out from that book. Book can talk to you. Book can give you some really good explanation about your life, about your thing. Sometimes we become confused. We don't know what to do in life. And if you randomly open any book, that line, that sentence, that paragraph, that word can give you the answer which you were looking for in your life. That is the miracle of the book. And in Quran, if you start reading the Quran, one ayah with the translation every day, remember that previous girl which she mentioned that she was about to do the suicide. She was about to do the suicide and she reached me out and she said that you mentioned in one video that reading one ayah along with the translation every morning, start your day with the translation. And I found such a hectic problem solution in that ayah and I started praying for you. Look how beautiful this is. When you are serious, trust me, the universe will respond to you. Whatever you are looking for in the universe, that thing is looking for you as well. When your frequency and that frequency match, it will meet. There is a saying that if the student is ready, the teacher will appear.